Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to show you how you can integrate your Dropbox with your ClickUp account or ClickUp workspace to transfer files, for example, from your Dropbox to your tasks and to-do lists and your workspace on ClickUp. This integration is super useful if you're managing projects, sharing files with your team, or keeping your documents organized directly within ClickUp. So let us get started right away, guys. It is very simple. You can integrate both Dropbox as well as ClickUp by heading over to your ClickUp account and by clicking on that profile icon top right and by selecting Settings here. Pro tip, make sure you're logged into the Dropbox account that contains the files you want to access in ClickUp to avoid any login errors. What you want to do next, guys, is pay attention to that panel on the left-hand side and head over to the App Center. And here, we'll see a list of all featured apps that may be connected with your ClickUp account. You may go through these categories on the left-hand side, for example, or if you already see Dropbox here amongst the featured applications, you may access it directly by clicking on it. The App Center also includes other integrations that could help you automate tasks, like Google Drive, Slack, or Zoom. And after that, simply click on Connect here to connect your both accounts. After that, give ClickUp the permission to connect with Dropbox, so click on Allow if you like. This authorization is safe, and ClickUp only requests access to the files and folders you choose to use with your tasks. And that's it. As you can see, we're done. Both accounts have been connected, and that's it. Now Dropbox has been integrated with your ClickUp account, so click on Done here. And here you will see the associated accounts. You can connect more accounts on Dropbox, for instance, by clicking on that button here. This is helpful if you're managing multiple Dropbox accounts, like one personal and one for work. And that should do it, guys. Once your accounts are connected, you can easily attach files from Dropbox directly into tasks, assign them to team members, and even link them to specific projects, saving a lot of time. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want more tech tutorials that help you streamline your workflow.